Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, match the following hormones with the respective diseases. One is insulin, thyroxine, corticoids and growth hormones. तो हमें क्या बोला है? हमें कुछ hormones दिए गए हैं और उनसे related जो diseases होते हैं हमें उनसे match करना है. So, what is the key concept here? The key concept here is disorders related to hormone. या hormonal disorder. So let us see them one by one. So पहला है insulin. Insulin is a hormone that reduces glucose level in the blood. अगर इंसुलिन का सिक्रीशन कम हो जाएगा तो reduced secretion can increase the blood sugar and it will cause a disease called as diabetes mellitus. So, decreased release of insulin in the blood causes diabetes mellitus because it increases the sugar in the blood. Next is thyroxine. Thyroxine is a hormone that causes metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and fat. So it helps in the digestion of the substances और इनका metabolism में help करता है. So if decrease in secretion takes place, it causes a disease called as goiter, which causes inflamed or swollen thyroid gland. Next is corticoids. Corticoids are released from the adrenal glands and they are of two types, glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. इनका काम क्या होता है? This helps in the metabolism of glucose and this helps in the metabolism or not metabolism, the level of water and minerals. अगर इनके secretion reduce हो जाएंगे for some case or due to the damage to the adrenal gland, this will cause a disease called as Addison's disease. Now the last hormone is growth hormone. Growth hormone is responsible for the growth and development of the body. यानी कि growth and development of muscles and bones. अगर इसका हाइपर सिक्रीशन होता है, increased secretion can cause excessive growth. And this leads to a disease in an adult called as acromegaly. So, what is the correct match? The correct match is insulin, diabetes mellitus होगा. So, one will go with 4. Thyroxine will go with goiter. Corticoids will go with Addison's disease. And growth hormone will go with acromegaly. So, what is the correct match? The correct match is option 3. So, the final answer is option 3. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.